everybody. Welcome back to Ozark Mountain Goats. I know it's hard to believe, but it has been 9.5 weeks since our first baby goat was born here on our little mini farm. This is Bullseye, and he is our first baby. And he also happens to be the first one that's leaving here today. So we want to make sure that he is good and ready to go, and he's due for another dose of coccidia prevention. We use Toltrazuril, so I'm going to get him weighed because it's based on how much you weigh, how much you give them. Anyway, they get that every 3 weeks until they're 6 months old. At least that's what we do here on our farm for coccidia prevention. And also we're going to give him a hoof trim so he'll be all nice and pretty before he leaves our farm. So let's go get him weighed. Okay, he weighs 25 pounds, so it is 1 cc for every 5 pounds, so he's going to get 5 cc's. And I just put it in a 10 cc syringe, and we're going to squirt it in his mouth. Yes, we are. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, you're a good boy, Bullseye. Well done. How easy was that? Now you're going to get a pedicure. I found the easiest way is to just lay them across my lap. And they're pretty calm this way. They don't kick a lot. I've even done the big bucks this way. It's kind of comical to see them laying across my lap, but unless we get them in a milking stand, that seems to be the easiest way for us. You're a sweetie. We're gonna miss you, Bullseye. You got alfalfa all over him. These goats are so loving and sweet. You can tell they've been spoiled.
We've had so much moisture this year, it's been really hard on the goats' hoofs.
Last night we had a horrible storm come through, and you know, they can get into the barn, but we went ahead and we had just mucked out the barn and changed out all the straw yesterday, gave them fresh bedding in the patio area. So anyway, we tarped the whole thing, and that kept them dry through this bad storm that we had.
Okay, front legs.
You're a good boy. So Bullseye's leaving us today, and tomorrow Ringo and Champ will be leaving us. They're going to the same farm, so we're happy to see that a couple of them get to stay together. One more. You can get to it.
Yeah, I don't know if I can get to it like this. Let's see. You don't go silly. The hiccups.
I guess I should mention that Bullseye was weaned about a week ago, and he's doing great. He's eating alfalfa like crazy.
Too much.
Yeah, he's a big boy. You did good, baby. All right, let's take a peek at the rest of the goats. You can see how good they're doing too. What do you think, Paulo? You're gonna miss your buddies, aren't you? Yeah. So there's Champ and Nemo and Ringo. These guys are just chilling out, chewing their cud. They had a nice big breakfast. And we've got Roxy. Actually, she's sleeping there with Charo's little girl. So I'm surprised that she's letting her do that. And then there's Lily over there. Lily is due to kid in 2 weeks. 2 weeks from today, actually. And then over there in the feeder, we've got my girl Fancy that I'm keeping, and Luna, our little beautiful Chamosé. And right down there is Charo. And over there, we've got Maya and her beautiful little doeling, Maple. Maple and Elvira, that little black one right there, she was named Apple when she was first born, and her owner has called her Elvira. Anyway, they will be staying with us for another 3 weeks or so until they're weaned, and then they'll be going to their homes as well. So as you can see, we've still got our little guy Apollo over here, and it's been nice that he's had some companions before we have to put him in with the big boys. We did take him over last week and supervised a quick little visit, and boy, I tell you what, those big boys really dominate him for sure. So there's Nemo and Ringo. They're brothers out of Roxy. There's Mama. What do you think, Lily? You ready to have those babies? Bullseye.